Are you ready to fight?
Yes.
Let's fight. Hiya! Dish, 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 dish. Oh! I won! Ha 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 ha. Now walk off.
Welcome to my channel where I believe anyone can draw. Here I want to pass on the knowledge of what I have learned throughout the years and help you find your passion for art as I did. This channel is dedicated to my children who inspired me to help teach them and others to draw. I will be primarily using my iPad and the app Procreate, but the foundations of these techniques come from the traditional pencil and paper. We start off by making a simple line. The line is needed to represent the motion of your character. For this tutorial, it will be the Pokemon Pidgeot. This base movement line will be used to build all other simple shapes from. We add other lines to loosely represent the limbs of Pidgeot. From there, we use simple circles and shapes until we have the concept and rudimentary form of Pidgeot. After establishing the concept of our character, we can add another layer on top of our sketch layer. Our sketch layer's opacity is then reduced to around 20% to be used as a foundation to build from. The second layer is what I call the Refinement Layer. Here I can now sketch out the features of my character. The third layer is called the Inking Layer. Here you want to make single flowing lines that intersect with one another. This is important to note because this outline will be used as the basis for our coloring. When the lines are intersected as shown, this will keep the color dropped into an area from spilling over into another area we don't want it to. Base coloring is the next layer, and what we are doing here are establishing the base colors without shadows of our character. This layer is the first shadow layer, and it is slightly darker than the base color to give the illusion of shadows. Next will be even a darker layer to emphasize even the darker areas. Lastly, will be our highlight area, emphasizing where the direction of light is coming from. You must think that you are a builder whose job is to build a house. There is a logical order on how to create art. Understanding this will allow you to understand the basics which one day you can use to build a mansion. Thank you for watching this video. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, comment, and share so we can share the knowledge with others. If you would like to learn how to draw anything, please comment below. And remember, we are not chasing perfection, but instead expression.